In this video, I'll show you how to sync Obsidian with Google Drive on iPhone. First of all, you'll need to note that unlike Android, iOS has stricter file access limitation. So Google Drive syncing is not officially supported on iPhone/iOS or Obsidian. So in order to do that, you would like to create your vault on PC first. Or if you want, you would like to go and check my other video on how to sync Obsidian with Google Drive on Android. And once you're done with that, you can, as example, come here to your iPhone. So you can either do that as an example on your PC or Android. You'll have to go and create a vault and sync it, basically sync it there with your Google Drive. Once you're done with that, as I said, you can come here and click on continue with a sync. So sync it up. And here you'll have to choose an Obsidian sync, not iCloud or something like that. On Android, I showed you that you can sync it with Google Drive with third-party app like sync folder, and PC you can sync it as well. And basically, once you sync it with the other two devices, you are just going to sync your Obsidian account on all the platforms using Obsidian Sync. So if you sync your iPhone with your Android and PC, and any of your other like accounts like Android or PC is connected to Google Drive, that means your iPhone will be automatically connected to Google Drive as well. Because you cannot sync it with Google Drive directly from iPhone, because iOS has a lot of restrictions on access or on giving access. So an example here, just go and select Obsidian Sync, click on Use Obsidian Sync, and click on Sign Up if you don't have an account yet on your other devices. But if you do have it, just click on Sign In. So for me, I'm clicking on Sign Up here, and I'm going to create, an example, an account. And all I need to do is just go to my other account or on my PC and Android as well, and I will have to sign in using the same account that I'm going to use right here. So as you can see, I'm using here like my accounts. Let me just go here and type like a password. Let me just go and type one. And let's just do this. Pretty easy password. And yeah, let me just go here, click on sign up. And now the account that I'm going to use here for signing up, I'm going to my PC or Android that I sync with Google Drive, and I'm going to log in using this same account. So here, I'll just go to my Gmail as example. I'll find this. I can just go and click on that. As example, you can open it whenever you want. And here, let's see. So let's just finish up signing up. And as you can see what to sync and stuff like that. Here, you can find if you want to go, as example, with the paid plan, if you want to. And you can choose like a sync standard one or like plus one. So you can go with whatever suits your needs if you want to pay for a plan. But anyway, the most important part is just going to the other device that's connected to Google Drive, connect it into it and sync that Obsidian account across all devices. So Google Drive will be connected to your device, one of your devices. And if you add anything to that device, it will be added to your iPhone as well. So this is the workaround. Of course, it might have other workarounds, but this is the one that I know. For you, you may find other options to do that as well. So that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.